guys, today I am sharing you a oats milk recipe which is not slimy, dairy free and vegan. So without any wasting time, let's get to the recipe. First, take about quarter cup of rolled oats which I have already soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and wash it thoroughly under the running water. Then add them into a blender jar. It's very important to soak the oats for about 10 minutes to up to 1 hour as it reduces the content of phytates. Next, I am adding water into it. Make sure that you add water bit by bit and blend all it into a smooth mixture. Then strain it with the help of a strainer, or you can simply use a milk bag. To remove the oats milk from the oats pulp, this oats milk is perfect dairy alternative. However, it's also rich in beta glucagon, a soluble fiber that has been slowed down to reduce cholesterol, thus great for heart health. It also low in calories, fats, and loaded with vitamins and minerals. So it's very important to add oats milk in our diet. Okay, back to our recipe, and you have it, a delicious, creamy oats milk. You can store it in a refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days, and you before use you just simply take it and shake it. Look how its consistency, it's so delicious, so creamy. I just also check it with my finger. Look how creamy it is. No one believed that it's made from oats. However, it has a slight different taste from nuts milk, but it's a great option in your diet. If you're new to this channel, so please subscribe to it and comment your thoughts in the below. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.